Hello, my name is Elena Shvab and I'm a hat designer based in London. Welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to show you how to wear a fascinator hat that is secured on a hat with an elastic. Elastic band goes underneath your hair at the back and not under the chin. Position your hat. Elastic goes underneath your hair. And now you can arrange your hair the way you like. The beauty of wearing fascinators is that it gives you freedom of creating any hairstyle that you prefer. Wearing hats with elastic is easy and very comfortable. A hair comb that is located underneath the hat also helps to keep the hat securely on the hat. If you buy the hat online and the elastic is too loose, underneath the pitation ribbon, you can move the elastic and reposition the little knot to make the elastic tighter. Thank you for watching and follow me for more tips on how to wear hats.